We are back at Costco, returning stuff. We're running errands tonight, getting stuff done, so we'll see how it goes. We're looking for a garbage can for the kitchen, but this is like the only one here. It's supposed to be, I don't know, oh well, not today. Oh my god, look at how huge this is. We don't even have room for that. Cones could fit on like 2 cubes.
Like it, it's $40.
Oh, it kind of matches the couch though, too.
Let's get it, and then you can return it. Come on, try it out. Which one do you want? You gotta get a good one.
I'm gonna get it.
Which one do you like? Which one works?
This one. Oh, it's got a handle.
They all have handles.
Oh, I can't see that.
Oh, I can't see it.
Wait, put it next to me here. So I just came to Cost Plus to do like a happy return because I bought some stuff at Everlane that I didn't really like, and I didn't want to pay like the $6 to $7 that it costs to ship it back. So they accept like something called happy returns, where if you go to one of the happy return like locations, they will just take the return for free. Like, you don't have to pay shipping or anything like that. It's kind of like returning it to a store, but since Everlane doesn't have that many store locations, that's just like so convenient. So I went to a Cost Plus that accepted happy returns, and it was super easy and simple. So kind of like that. Now going to Ross. So I didn't say this earlier, but we are back like in the Daly City area just because Kurt's parents are watching Kona tomorrow. So we went to the Costco around here, and now we are at the Ross like in Colma. So just checking it out. Come here. Look. On the bed. On the bed. Oh. You're on the edge. You like it? It's so comfy. It is like 9:30 and I had a team dinner to go to, so I am driving back home pretty late. We had a long day of meetings today. It didn't end till about 6, and then went out to dinner. It's gonna take me about an hour to get back home. At least there won't be traffic, or there shouldn't be traffic at this hour. Finally back at Kurt's parents' house, and I have to do work. So it is like 11. I just showered, washed my hair. I have to prep some slides for team meeting tomorrow. Hopefully I can sleep in like half an hour-ish. I'm almost at work. I'm so tired of this long commute. I do not miss it at all. Today I just have a full day of meetings, and I'm going to go get measured for my wedding dress, so that's super exciting. I will go there after work before the store closes. The store closes at 6, and I believe my meetings end at 5, so I should be able to make it there on time. It is about 5:20, so I made an appointment for 5:30 to go get measured for my wedding dress. So I'm trying to head out now, but like kind of totally stopped in traffic. So yeah, I'm heading there. And then we'll probably go home, or maybe if I have the energy, I'll go to Home Goods. But yeah, I'm really excited to get fitted for my wedding dress. I like bought it, but I haven't ordered it yet because I wanted to get the length custom. So they're going to basically, I think, measure me to try to get the length as close as possible to the length that I need, so that I don't have to pay as much for alterations. So yeah, I'm excited. Guess where I'm at? Home Goods. So I came here after dress fitting and still looking for home stuff. So wanted to kind of wait for the traffic to die down anyway. So we'll see if I find anything good here. They have a lot of oven mitts here, but I don't really like any of these patterns, and I kind of want it to have like this like a silicone grip, but I just like don't see any around here. So I would consider getting a cloth one like for the meantime, but I just don't even really like these that much. I returned my other utensil one to get, because we were looking for a bamboo one. Oh, what about these? Wow, this is cute. How much is it? Oh, that's not bad. I'll have to send it to Kurt. This is really close to the color of my bed frame, but I just don't like so many tufts in it, like so many squares, so it'll be a no. Sorry, it's been so long since I've been with my camera, but I finally got back to our place, so Brought a ton of stuff. We're unpacking. I am going to unwrap the rug that we bought from Amazon. This is one of 2 rugs, but this is the one that goes in the living room. You got to let it go. 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 I'm ready to let go. That was kind of cute. I should have showed you the before, but this is after I kind of like combed through it manually. It's not bad. I think this just needs to like kind of settle down because it's still pretty curled. Also, it does smell like glue. But yeah, I guess you could like Febreze it or something. It's not bad. I think I was worried that it'd be like so thin that like you could just like feel like it would just be like nothing, like you just feel the floor, but it's honestly not bad. The reason why we got gray is because there's a high chance that Kona might pee on this rug, and so we didn't want white. We are getting like an off-white for our bedroom, but he tends to pee in like the living area and kitchen spaces. Oh, he lied down on the rug instead of the bed. That's a huge statement, Kona. Washed the new bamboo utensil organizer. Feels so good to be organized. Also, finally got the soap dishes. I ordered it on Amazon. These silicone soap dishes. So it's like a nice white. You can't really tell that it's silicone from like far away, but it is. And then it also has holes so that it can like help drain the moisture in the water. To let it go. We just got takeout for dinner because we forgot to thaw out meat to cook, so we got True Burger. Got a cheesy True Burger and fries, and then a True Deluxe. Alright, well, it is somehow almost 8 o'clock at night. So yeah, I've been really anxious and nervous all day because we are having our first guests. I know my parents visited last weekend, but we are having our first friends like come over and to hang out. And I know we don't have the sofa yet, but we just kind of want to hang out because one of our friends leaves to go back to SoCal, so we just wanted to show them around our new place. And yeah, I was just kind of nervous because I don't know, I'm just nervous to have our first guests come over and stuff. It is 1 a.m. This is like the latest we've stayed up in a really long time. So yeah, it was like a fun night. We watched Always Be My Maybe on Netflix, so yeah, it was a good night. All right, we got this new rug for our bedroom. We're gonna open it up in this room just to let it like air out. Okay, so this rug is not as nice as the downstairs rug. From far away, you can see all these little bumps. So we're gonna let it like air out here. It smells like glue. So we have the window open. We're gonna close the door so that it just like airs out. We're also gonna spray Febreze on it like we did the other rug. Hey guys, it was truly a lazy Sunday. This was the first day that we didn't have like anything that we had to do. So it was a nice break from like all the busy stuff that's been happening. Earlier we tried to take Kona on a very long walk to explore the area, and a little way in he forced us to come back home. I don't know why, but maybe he just wasn't ready for such a long walk today. After that, I had a ton of clothes to organize, and we organized them into drawers and stuff. Finally organized that, so that feels pretty good, and that took about like 2 hours. I was watching Up in the Air on Netflix. I had never watched that movie before. Then I just took a nap and we're gonna head over to Kurt's cousin's house for some homemade pho, which I'm really excited about. That concludes this vlog. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like and subscribe for more vlogs and videos. And I hope to see you in the next one. Bye guys.